there, coffee lovers and internet explorers. Welcome back to SipCyber, the podcast on a quest for the best coffee shops and the easiest ways to navigate your digital world. I know last week I talked about being in Anoka, Minnesota. I was there again this week. And if you haven't been, it's a very cute town. And most recently, I visited Meta Coffee and Bookstore. It's part coffee shop, part bookstore, and completely worth your time. There's this incredible old-school wooden bar that stretches the entire length of the space. It feels like something straight out of the TV show Cheers. Solid, classic, the kind of place where you can imagine regulars having their spot. While I was there, I ordered a hot herbal tea, and it was perfect. It was simple, it was balanced, and exactly what I needed that day. Sitting near that long wooden bar, surrounded by all kinds of fun things on this coffee shop, knowing that there are shelves of books upstairs and quiet conversation, everything felt steady. And that steadiness made me think about something that often feels anything but steady in our digital lives. You mentioned dog food one time, and suddenly dog food ads are everywhere. It feels personal, it feels invasive, and it feels like your phone must be listening. Most of the time, it isn't. What's actually happening is large-scale pattern recognition. Advertising systems group people based on their shared behavior, what you search for, what you click, what you buy. Even that behavior statistically overlaps with people near you. If your digital activity looks similar to someone who recently purchased dog food, the system increases the probability that you'll see it too. It's math, not necessarily microphone monitoring. Cross-app tracking strengthens those signals. When tracking is enabled, apps can connect your activity across platforms or across apps. That's how something you viewed once can follow you into social media or even your news feeds. If you want to reduce that, on your iPhone, you're going to want to go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and Tracking. You'll want to turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. Then check Settings, Privacy and Security, and Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads. On Android, you'll want to go to your Settings, Google, and Ads. You can delete or reset your advertising ID. You can also review the permissions under Settings, Privacy, and Permission Manager. Now, you don't disappear from the internet, even though we might want to. You just lower the resolution of the profile being built around you. Meta means loving kindness. Sitting near that solid wooden bar reminded me that stability doesn't come from controlling everything, despite how much I try. It comes from understanding what's happening beneath the surface. And that's today's sip. Review your tracking settings, reset your advertising ID, reduce cross-app tracking. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay secure.